guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to bring you a Valentine's Day look, but this is going to be a little bit more of an outside the box Valentine's Day look. It's going to be a little bit more intense, not so soft glam, more like vibrant, colorful glam. But if you're into that, then you're definitely going to love this video. So this video is going to be voiceovered. It's going to be my first voiceover, so let me know down below if you like how this goes. It's going to be a little bit more of a faster video. If you guys like talk throughs a little bit more, just like I said, leave it down below and let me know so I can make better content for you. So if you're ready for this colorful glam Valentine's Day look, let's get started. Okay, we're starting off this look by using the Haley's Refine Primer. I'm really loving this primer right now. It helps smooth and it looks really pretty under foundation. So I'm just applying that where I have the biggest pores and making sure to press that in. Okay, clearly I'm super excited that I found this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer at Ulta. I'm in the shade C8 and I'm really loving this right now because it reminds me so much of Shape Tape. But I'm actually using that to prime my eyelids, and I'm using a little buffing brush and just setting it with some translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm actually grabbing some tape and I'm using that to have a really sharp line for my wing. Basically, I'm not going to be using any eyeliner, but it's just going to give you a really nice sharp edge. Just make sure to not get that too close to your eyes. It was kind of bothering me where it was, so I moved it a little bit, but this is a great tip to use. Then I grabbed my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and I'm using the shade Burnt Orange all over my crease, making sure to get that really nice and blended out. That is our transition color. Now I'm picking up some of that Love Letter shade and I am going to be adding it a little bit lower than that burnt orange shade, and this is just going to give us a good gradual effect in the colors. And I'm trying to make sure to get that on the outer V and my inner corner because this look will be a halo eye. Now I'm just picking up a more densely packed blending brush and I'm going in again with that Love Letter shade. But I am making sure to build up that color in the outer and the inner V, and I'm just going back and forth doing a little bit of circling motions, and that just helps build up the color really nicely, which will in turn give us a really nice halo eye. And I'm just going in with a nice fluffy blending brush now to make sure that there are no harsh lines there. This is just going to make the look even more smoky and nice and buffed out. Okay, so now for the fun part, we are starting to cut our crease with that same concealer that we used as primer. And we are putting this down because it's going to make the eyeshadow that's going in the middle of our halo eye stand out more and just pop. Now I'm just going in with that Colourpop Element of Surprise palette and I'm taking the shade Opulent with my finger, making sure to get really good pigment on there, and I'm pressing that into my eyelids with my fingers. Remember guys, your fingers are your best tools. They're your God-given makeup tools, your God-given brushes, so make sure you get good use out of them. I'm taking this tiny little blending brush and dipping it into Love Letter, and I'm just using that to blend out those edges around the pink color because they are very harsh. And by the way guys, I will have all these brush names listed down below in the description box. I just don't have them in front of me, so I can't really do that right now. But now I am taking a big fluffy blending brush and I'm just blending over all of that to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. Now I'm going in with this Glitter Eyes Pressed Glitter. I wish I had the name for you guys. I can't find it anywhere, but I am just taking it with my finger and applying it to the dead center of that halo eye, and it's just gonna make this eye pop even more and look super sparkly. I'm obsessed, guys. I will definitely try to find the name of this glitter down below. So I just took off that tape and clearly I'm very impressed with the sharp edge that it left. I'm going in with the Dior Skin Forever foundation in the shade 031. I know this shade's a little bit light for me. I actually tanned during a photo shoot that I was shooting, and so I'm a little bit dark right now, but we're gonna make it work with some bronzer. So I'm trying out the Todd Sonicblend Sonic makeup brush that was sent to me. I'm not sure how I'm loving this brush. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Clarisonic brush head, but I'm not really into it. I feel like it's not really blending in my foundation, so I'm just going back in with my ELO Cosmetics ELO 119 brush that I'm obsessed with. It's my favorite. It works super, super well. It's a flat top kabuki that is just everything that I could dream for. So once again, I'm going in with that Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C8. Guys, this concealer is just everything. It is a total dupe for the Shape Tape, the Tarte Shape Tape. And this one's like a quarter of the price. You know that excites me. I'm super into cheap makeup, and this one is a perfect price if you're looking for a dupe. Now I'm just going in and powdering my under eyes to bake with the RCMA No Color Powder, and I'm just brushing that all off now that it's been 5 minutes. All right, finishing up the eyes, I'm grabbing the shade Love Letter and I'm running that along my bottom lash line. I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner, just kind of smoking out the outer V. And I'm taking Tempra from that same Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using it to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm taking the House of Lashes in the not the shade, in the style Siren. These are beautiful and they show my look through the lashes. That's why I chose them. Taking the Tarte Gifted mascara, and guys, isn't it so hard to not look crazy when you're putting on mascara on your bottom lashes? Yeah, it is. So I'm just smelling this delicious bronzer. I'm obsessed with this Physicians Formula bronzer. It smells so good. And this is actually the newest shade. It's one of their deeper shades. I'll list it down below. And it just leaves such a pretty color on my skin tone, which I am a brown girl, so this one's working out pretty good for me. I don't think it's dark enough for everyone, but it's good for my skin tone. Okay, so I'm taking the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown highlighting powder. This powder is super, super cheap. It's very affordable and it's beautiful, guys. I'm obsessed with it. It's so nice. I love it. So I'm just putting it on my bridge and the tip of my nose, my temples and my chin. So I already went in with the Nude Truffle lip liner from NYX. But on top of that, I am going to be taking the Velour Matte Extreme Matte Lipstick from Laura Mercier in the shade Vibe. And I'm just putting that on top of that Nude Truffle lip liner. And since I'm a glossy kind of girl, I am going in with the shade Madeline from NYX, and it's their Butter Gloss. Alright guys, this is the completed Valentine's Day look. If you don't have a Valentine, don't worry about it. Wear this look wherever the hell you're going on Valentine's Day. If you're going to Publix, wear it to Publix. If you're going to Walmart, go to Walmart. If you're going to Target, wear it to Target. You might get some stares, but who cares? Valentine's Day is all about loving something, right? And you could easily love yourself. Love yourself, wear a look like this, feel creative that day, embrace it, feel empowered, do it. This look is freaking awesome. I'm loving it right now, not to toot my own horn, toot toot. But all jokes aside, I am really loving this look, and I would love to see if you guys recreate it or if you actually wear it to Valentine's Day. Let me know down below. I would love to know. I would also love to see it, so if you do wear it, tag me on my Instagram. It's at HighOnLifestyle with 2 E's at the end. And don't forget, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and my next video should be coming up, or it should be right over here somewhere. Watch it. It's probably really good. But aside from that, enjoy your guys' Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great day of loving yourself or loving your partners. I will see you in the next one. Bye.